Hello viewers, we are Team Code Panda. We have come back again with the PhD to HTML tutorial part 2. So we are resuming from the part 1 where we have ended. So from part 1 we have choose the background image and trim and copy it in our folder. So there's another one which we need to trim again. There's, as you can see, there is a green top line over here, and as we can select, it is automatically selected over here in the layer snippet. So we are trimming here again, just like the previous one. So we are clicking Alter and mouse click over here, and the other images goes hide, and the top line visible here, as you can see. So again we are going to image, then trim, and here we are clicking on OK. Then we are going to file and going to export, save for web. Then we are going to choose the medium option for better image size, and as you know, the less image size is here, the faster web page will be reloaded. So we are going to save, giving the name like top line. Okay, save. So we're going back again to the main Psd file by clicking in the history snippet, and in the notify Psd theme, the main file. Okay, so for this moment this is all in the Photoshop part. Alright, now we are going to the text editor for the HTML part. So hopefully remember, we have already discussed in our previous tutorial that we are going to work in brackets. So we are opening it, and we have formally created a startup pack with HTML boilerplate and Bootstrap and font hosting support. So we are going to work on it as we prepared earlier. So first of all, we are going to work on the top line. As you can see in the Psd file, there is a top line above the home page. So we're going to add the top line here. Also, at the same time, to see the live preview, we have enabled the live preview from here, and whatever we're going to write in the bracket, we're going to see in this PHP HTML tutorial tab on our browser. So we are going to the text editor. First of all, we are going to edit the top line section. Here I would like to mention one thing, that to make it clean and understandable coding for everyone, we need to insert comments, like I am going to put in here, so that other developer or the client for whom you are making this project, he can easily understand and edit or remove as per his requirement, if required, from our afterwards this tutorial, or the making the PHP HTML file. So we're going to work on top line. So I'm writing like top line starts from here and end the comment. Okay, so we'll make the comment line that stating where the coding starts and ends for the top line section. So we're going to take the div, taking a class like top line, and then we're going to take another div class container, then div plus row. Inside the row we are going to take another div with the whole MD12. By the way, we are using image extension in bracket so that we can swiftly and without mistake we can write the codes. Please watch our another video how to install image in brackets, which we made separately. So we're going to edit the next portion. You might want to know why I'm not inserting the crop or trim picture over here. Well, we are going to insert the picture in the CSS file, which I'm going to show you later on this tutorial. So we are going to the next part where we'll work on the top line part here. As you can see, we have in our browser the live preview shows the top line, which already included. I will show you the style or the CSS file action in our in later words. Let's do the HTML part first. Okay, then we are going to work on the header portion, that is this zone. We'll work on this. We'll add this one with our HTML coding. So let's go to the bracket editor. Also, I like to mention that we have taken the col MD12, that means the full page view, that is the total 12 column here. For better understanding about the Bootstrap grid system, as it is a part of the Bootstrap work, you can go to the Bootstrap web page and then go to CSS, and then you can go to the grid system. From here, there you can see the demonstration at the Bootstrap web page. There is the web page columns are divided in 12 parts. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and there's another one divided in 12 parts, 12 columns actually. There is 3, 6, 9, 12, and those are if you define one by one, that is a column B1. If you look at the below, that is a column B8 and column B4. All they're trying to do is dividing the horizontal way in 12 column. Like if you are giving column B4, then it will be 3, that means 3 into 4 will be 12, and if you divide it in 6, then it will be 2, like 6 into 2 equal to 12. Anyways, we are going back to our tutorial now. So back it, we are going to edit the header portion from here. So in the header portion, we again will take div. Let's give a class name like header. Then we are going to take another one, which name will be, class name will be container. Then we're going to take row, and then we're going to take the column D portion. Here we are going to take column D6 as you can see. There is a two portion, like one is here, one is here. So basically this part doesn't have any much to do, but this one has, there's a heading, and there's some paragraph like here, and also there are three some icons here. As I said before, there is Windows, there is another one is Android, and there is one is Apple. So we're going to take column 6, so that we can do this one in a two part. And also we're going to take another column 6, which will not do anything here, but for this one we're going to take the heading and the paragraph part. So to add heading, we're going to use H2 tab, and from here we're going to select this one, the text of tool, and going to select from here. That's already selected. For that is easy, much easier than put the text editor here. So we're going to copy it from here, and then I will paste it just like this way. Command C and Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So, and after that we're going to take the paragraph portion. Same ways, we are going to click on the paragraph side and copy it and paste. Okay, as you can see, the H2, that means heading, and the paragraph portion is visible here, as we are doing live preview from the text editor brackets, so that we can see the real-time preview whatever we are writing here. Now we are going to work on the social icons. Hope you remember there is some social icons here, this one. So to add them here, we are going to take another div, giving a class name social icons. Inside this div, we are going to take anchor tag, because these social icons are actually functional, and by clicking it they will redirect to their respective pages. So we are taking an anchor tag, and inside the hyperlink reference we are giving hash for the time being. And to add the social icon, we have to go to the Font Awesome homepage, that is fontawesome.io, as you can see in the address bar, which we have also given the address previously. You can also find this and this address and all the useful links in the video's description panel. So from here we're going to icon section. So there is the icon section here, and from here we are going to take the fonts shortcode to add in the text editor, so that we can view them as well in the web page. So we're going to find them like here. There's a Windows icon, and for Android there is Android, and Apple is there. So to take their code, we need to click here, and there is the code which is describing here. We need to copy it and paste in our text editor like this. Then for the rest of the icons, we can just copy and paste 3 times here, and then for Apple is there, and for Android we'll write down Android here, and for Windows we'll do the Windows. Now if we look here, you can see there is a 3 icons already appeared in the web page. So this is the way we'll add the first portion, that is the header portion in our HTML file. The next part will show the promotional area, if we call this one, in the next videos on part 3. So hope this video is helpful for you, and we'll show the next one in our next promotion areas work in our next video, that means part 3 one. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like our videos.